Hello, this is Maria again from visasinportugal.com. And as you know, last Friday I posted a video about the changes on citizenship. The president approved and everything, yada yada. If you didn't see, go check it out. If this is information that you like to see and you want to see more, hit subscribe, say you like it, and we will continue. What am I going to say today? Today I'm here because the response of the last video was overwhelming. Lots of emails that I love, lots of comments, amazing, lots of questions, and some of you have hit me with some challenge, which I love. I'm always up for a challenge. So, like I say, I'm here for you. Let's go and discuss those questions that you had. So I'm here with my phone. And there's this one that I loved it that says, "Girl is still gaslighting us." Love it. In one of the previous videos, these previous videos that are discussed here, I'm pretty sure it's about crypto tips with Heidi. I do a lot of interviews. Go check those out as well. Lots of information, good information. And yes, I said that who is Portugal to take your right to apply in 5 years? I still maintain the same position. By the way, did you see the news on Saturday? The Constitutional Tribunal cancelled some of the rules that were in that law because they were not up to code with the constitutional law in Portugal. And as you know, although the President of the Republic did sign for that law, did pass that law, it wasn't publicized in, what did I call it? Diário da República. Until it's publicized in Diário da República, the law is not in effect and we still have the previous law. Okay? So I'm not gaslighting anyone. I'm saying you can go and apply because I want you to have the best options and I want you to have all the opportunities. Okay? Regarding this comment, they say, oh, permanent residency has nothing to do with passport. I have to disagree on this. Do you really want a passport or do you want to live freely in Europe without having to renew residencies one after the other? Just having a free pass in any country in Europe without worrying if you stay 6 months, 1 week, doesn't matter. That's what permanent residency is, and some of my clients call it citizenship when all they want is the permanent residency, an ID card that says, yes, I'm a permanent resident of Portugal. I can live whatever I want. I can do whatever I want in Europe. Permanent residency gives you that. But I'm going to do a video all about permanent residency. I'll do it about temporary residency as well, permanent residency, and all the questions that you did, because I know there's a lot of misinformation out there, and I'm here for you, so I'm going to do all of those videos. But today we will discuss the comments, the questions, and all of that. I have here that says, awesome, Maria, thank you. That says, I applied last year in March of 2025 with an immigration attorney in Porto. The past January 2026, I'm asked for the original. Here, I come to the conclusion that you are saying that you applied for citizenship. If this is true, citizenship, you don't apply at IMA. IMA is for immigration. Citizenship is that the notary, the public notary, we call it IRN. Yes. So what they asked for was IRN, the public notary, asked for your birth certificate. Now, this is a very valid question. Am I still with the previous law, the new law? The law says those who have an application number have the previous law. So you have an application number since January, you are good. That's why I was suggesting those who are almost with the 5 years of residency should apply now so they have that number, that application number, that gives them the right to stay up to code with the previous law. Okay? I hope I helped here. And then it says, any update on the citizenship via great-grandparents? No, this update was only about citizenship regarding the residency permit, the time they stay in the country. Okay? Marriage, grandparents, none of that was in this new law. If my second temporary residency card expires in 2029, am I still good to apply? Well, like the first comment says, it's a risk. And like I said in the previous video, I would apply anyway. But 2029 is a little bit far. But you do whatever you want. If you want to apply, if you need help, we are here for you. It's a little far. It's like 3 years, right? 3 years missing, but you do as you wish, okay? Now, another question. What do I have here? I'm asked about the children. I was asked about the children that are born in Portugal. Are they Portuguese? With the previous law, if one of the parents was legal in the country for more than a year, those children would be Portuguese when they were born in Portugal. And now they change it for 5 years, 3 years, if they are married and whatnot. So that part did change. But again, it was not publicized in the Diário da República, so as for today, it's not in place. Today is the 11th of May of 2026. It's not in place, okay? And because of the Constitutional Tribunal canceling the request to approve those articles of that law, we don't know what's going to happen, so we are all on this waiting mode, okay? I had also questions about people who, I stayed in the country longer than 5 years. Can I apply? But I wasn't legal in the country for those 5 years. I was legal for 3, but I'm here like for 7 years, some. The previous law says that it counts the time that you were waiting for a residency permit. So yes, you can apply now because the previous law is still in place. But go to an attorney that knows about immigration. You can contact us and we will explain you all about it. We need to see those documents. We need to see the stamp on the passport. When did it arrive? What proof you have that you were here living? For example, Maria, I still have the ticket. Nowadays, it's really easy to have the ticket or something about the ticket because you receive it on your email. So search on your email, find those documents. Do you have a rental contract? I was renting a room. Do you have a document from the Junta de Freguesia, the municipality, saying that you were living here since that date to this date? You know what I mean? Those are all documents that can help you. Now, focus on that. Focus on getting an application number for your citizenship, and we move forward with that. But understand this. Is it citizenship really what you want, or is it permanent residency? This is a very good question. You don't know the difference. See me in my next video. I'm going to do a video all about this, okay? Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.